Hi, my name's Finny Pickin, and oh sorry, let me just wipe my screen. And this is how heavy it rains sometimes in Wales. Look at that. It's like a river. Look at that. And it goes all the way down my street, and there's a little bump down there. Hang on a sec, let me just go up in the bathroom. I'll show you from there then. This is nuts. It goes. Yeah, so, yeah, this is my mum.
Hi.
She's just painting the bathroom. Look at that. Terrible, eh? And it goes down. So, oh, that's gone down. Because, see that white bit there? That little white bit? Yeah, so that's where it used to be up to. Now it's about halfway with me. Really, I should have filmed it when there was hailstones. So that was terrible, that was. So, starting to calm down a bit now. Earlier it was thunder and lightning. So, that's all today. Goodbye.